A seaside township with residential, industrial, and commercial zones is developed within a green and sustainable environment. At the heart of this development is a smart underground sewage network designed for efficiency, hygiene, and environmental protection. Yellow lines show gravity sewers to vacuum collection chambers. Black lines show the vacuum network under negative pressure. The township includes industrial buildings designed for higher and variable wastewater loads. It also consists of multi-story residential blocks that serve dense urban living requirements. In addition, individual villas are planned with independent connections, completing a balanced and integrated township development. Each of these requires a reliable and future-ready sanitation system. With conventional sewer systems, a lot of deep excavation is required, especially under busy roads. Long trenches have to be opened using heavy shuttering and shoring along with continuous dewatering. All of this takes time and adds cost. Roads stay blocked, traffic gets affected, and day-to-day life around the area is disturbed for weeks. The vacuum sewer system needs only shallow trenching. Pipelines and chambers can be laid along the road shoulders, avoiding excavation at the road center and reducing overall cost. A cross-sectional view of the smart manhole highlights a key advantage. It operates completely without electricity. Conventional pumping stations require deeper excavation, which leads to higher costs, and they also depend on continuous electrical power. When conventional sewer lines encounter obstacles like existing utility pipes, deeper excavation becomes unavoidable. Vacuum sewer pipelines can be routed above such obstacles, avoiding deep excavation and simplifying installation. This comparison shows how vacuum pipes avoid deep excavation. In the event of damage, conventional sewer pipes can leak sewage into the surrounding soil. This leads to environmental pollution, groundwater contamination, and serious health risks. In a vacuum sewer system, even if the pipeline is damaged, sewage cannot escape. There is no exfiltration, ensuring complete containment and environmental safety. The system is designed for future expansion. Additional connections and increased capacity can be integrated easily as the community grows. New vacuum collection chambers can be added to the existing network with minimal excavation work, saving time and cost, and requiring no electricity. Unlike conventional systems, this expansion can be completed quickly without deep excavation or prolonged construction activities. Wastewater collection begins underground. Sewage flows by gravity from buildings into a vacuum chamber, also known as a smart manhole. The defined sewage level inside the vacuum chamber is maintained between 200 mm and 250 mm from the bottom. Vacuum chamber operates pneumatically under float mechanism and doesn't require electricity. When the sewage level reaches the set point, the float ball triggers the piston, allowing vacuum pressure to transfer the sewage from the chamber to the pipeline network. A fitting known as the air pocket is installed at designed intervals inclined at 30 degrees to lift the sewer central vacuum station, where vacuum pumps located on the ground floor generate the negative pressure for the sewer network and are connected to a vacuum tank installed in the basement. The vacuum tank collects sewage from the vacuum network. When the sewage reaches a predefined level in the vacuum tank, The discharge pumps transfer the collected sewage either directly to the STP or to the nearest gravity manhole. This is a smart vacuum sewer system delivering efficiency, reliability, and environmental safety for modern, sustainable townships.